you didn't know that this is my favorite animal and he's missing a leg. This, we are here at Five Below. I'm gonna try and talk a little louder because they love playing loud music. So let's go inside. Thank you. They have food erasers for $5. They have a lot. I get a new case. Wait, I'm in the wrong spot. I need a charger. Case can I get y'all? Surprisables. Oh, there's a Zuru cotton candy. I think it has slime in it. We're here at Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna see if they have any mini brands, or I'm gonna try to find the toy section. Oh, look at these. These are cute. They remind me of cake pops, these ones. Oh, look at this. It's a squishy pen. That's cute. Oh, look at this, Mom. Look at the hammer. Look. Look at the cheetah. Duffy pillow. Guys, if you didn't know that this is my favorite animal and he's missing a leg. Ma, somebody broke his leg. Alright, Ma, I'm going to find some toys. Let's go find some toys. I love this. That is so cute. And that one. I want to turn my room into aesthetic, but I'm working on it. Last time I couldn't find a toy section, so let's see. What is this? Fluffy putty? No, we don't want that. Maybe. I don't know. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Slime DIY. You guys always say they have mini brands. Seems like this is like their toy section. This is all I have. It's at aisle 5 and 6. Let's see. They have Funko Pops. I keep seeing these around. What are these? That's pretty much it, guys. That one we have. Hey, look, this lights up. press that. Now look at the top. This is so cool. I know it looks nice at night. All these animals. Oh my gosh. Look how big this ladybug is. And the bee. Look how small these people are. Mom, let's build Noah's Ark with these animals. Mom, they don't have a toy section in Hobby Lobby. Ooh, Mommy, look. Gumball machine maker. So this looks like where all the fidgets are. Okay, what color do you think is in here? What color do you think is in here? Yeah, no. I have these. That's about it. Guys, I thought they sold toys here, but they don't. They have like fidgets and stuff like that, but they don't have like mini brands, which I thought they had. I guess some of them have that, but not all. So you guys kind of know what Hobby Lobby looks like, so I'm not gonna do like a whole store tour, but I guess this is the end of the video. If I get any more good clips of like different things, then I'll include it. But thank you guys for watching still, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for next video. It's gonna be a blast, so stay tuned. Love you guys so much.